In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question in Depop. Start by opening Depop in your browser or the mobile app. Once you're on the home page, browse your feed or use the search bar to find an item you're genuinely interested in. Take a moment to scroll until something catches your eye. This keeps the process focused and makes your message more meaningful. When you spot an item you like, click it to open the product page. Here you'll see the item's photos, price, description, size, and condition notes. It's worth reading the description carefully first. Sellers often include measurements, material details, or shipping info, which can save you time and help you craft a precise question. At the top of the item page, locate the seller's username and profile area. This is where you'll usually find quick actions related to the listing. Just beneath the seller's username, look for the option labeled Ask a Question. It typically appears near other buttons and is designed to open a direct message about this specific item. Click Ask a Question to open the chat box. Depop will link your message to the listing automatically so the seller knows exactly which item you're referring to. In the chat, start typing your question clearly and politely. Be specific. Ask about exact measurements, fabric feel, flaws not visible in photos, or shipping timelines. If you're curious about bundling multiple items, you can mention that too. Keeping your message short but detailed helps the seller respond quickly and accurately. Avoid sharing personal contact details. Keep communication within Depop for your safety and to maintain a clear record of the conversation. If you're not signed in, Depop may prompt you to log in before you can send your message. Once your question looks good, click Send. You'll see your message appear in the conversation thread, and it will also be saved in your messages section for easy follow-up. You can leave the page, the seller's reply will show up in your Depop messages, and you'll typically receive a notification. If you don't hear back right away, give it a little time. Many sellers respond within a day depending on their time zone. That's it. Open Depop, find a product you like, view the item details, tap Ask a Question under the seller's username, type your message, and hit send. With a clear, courteous question, you'll get the details you need to decide whether to purchase confidently.